Hi friends, you will wonder if I say more than 80% of all the skin lightening and skin firming products you find in the market contains vitamin C. Vitamin C is a selling point for most of the skin care products. Instead of buying unknown products that contain several other chemicals, let's try to make the vitamin C gel pure and fresh at home. Follow this process to make the vitamin C gel at home. Welcome to my channel, Break the Snow. Take 500 mg vitamin C tablets. Crush 3 vitamin C pills to make nice smooth powder as shown. Take this powder into a clean and dry glass bowl. Take a vitamin E capsule, preferably 400 IU dosage or even lower. Pierce one vitamin E capsule to extract vitamin E oil from that. Vitamin E helps further nourish your skin. Add 3 teaspoons of aloe vera gel to this. Mix it up very well. Aloe vera naturally moisturizes your skin. Mix them thoroughly. Now set it aside for 10 minutes to allow the vitamin C powder to completely dissolve into the gel. After 10 minutes, you mix the contents once again. Now the entire vitamin C powder dissolves in the gel. Take this into a glass jar. That's all. Our homemade vitamin C gel is ready. Store this in the fridge after every use. Apply this gel on the face, skin and affected area. You can leave it on for 30 minutes and wash it away with mild face wash. You can apply this gel twice a day and within 1 week you will notice visible skin lightening effect. You will also notice the effects of skin brightening and skin firming. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that is present in citrus fruits that provides defense against the free radical damage. Exposure to the sun causes UV damage to the skin. Vitamin C, when applied on the skin in the form of gel or serum, reduces the UV damage and clears the dark spots. Also, it increases collagen and elastin in the skin that gives you youthful appearance and provides skin firming. This minimizes wrinkles and age lines. The best part of vitamin C is that it naturally provides skin lightening by correcting the hyperpigmentation and fights against free radical damage. In short, our vitamin C gel helps in providing skin lightening, skin firming, skin brightening and younger skin. Also, making our own vitamin C gel is easy, inexpensive and chemicals free. Thank you. Please like our video and subscribe. Tap on bell notification to get more interesting videos.